Himanshi and welcome to my channel Himanshi's Heavenly Hacks. Today I have come up with a makeup tutorial. We are gonna achieve this fresh, dewy and easy makeup look by using L'Oreal Paris products. And if you wanted to experience this look, let's jump into the video. Before starting my makeup, I ensure that my face is all clean and prepped, and I'd like to drench my skin into a good moisturizer. So today I'll be using L'Oreal Paris Hydra Fresh Grape Seed Hydrating Aqua Balm. So we would just take an ample amount of moisturizer. The good part of this moisturizer, it's very light. I also ensure that it is done throughout, all over my face and neck. Ensure to blend the moisturizer nicely because it is gonna give a base to your makeup, and the base should always be dewy and juicy so that it is also shown throughout your makeup. So once the base is good, your makeup would automatically turn out very good. Yes, it's done. So after moisturization, I generally use foundation or any type of a base, or you can see a CC cream or a BB cream. But today, since we wanted a very fresh look, and we wanted to use minimum products, I just wanted to jump into one product, which is this L'Oreal True Matte Genius. It is called as primer, foundation, concealer and powder. So if you have this, you are set for the day and you don't want too many products. You can just use once. You can conceal your face, you can powder it, you can set it all. So just start how it works. This product, basically we get this sponge with it. However, I'm not using this today and I'm going to use the brush. It's a stripling brush, which would definitely give me a good definition to blend this product in, and it will definitely give a good dewy look. So just take a good amount of product and let's dab into your skin. So always remember, we don't want to drag it. Instead, we wanted to dab it. The more you dab, the good results you'll be getting. Can you see how beautifully it is getting into my skin, and it is creating a canvas for me to go ahead and do more makeup. I'm just using under my eyes also so that it works as concealer. Please do not forget your neck. I think it is done. Can you see how beautiful it looks? It has concealed all my darkness. This is how the base is done. Now we will move on to eyes. This product, basically you can use it as eyeshadow, or if you wanted to use it as kajal, it's all fine. It's up to you. So what is the shade here? The shade is Top Lady 104. Can you see? I'll focus the camera. See, yeah. So today I'm not going to use it as kajal. We wanted a fresh look and I don't want too many products. I'll be just skipping the kajal part and I'll use it as eyeshadow. So just drag your eyes a bit. Just move the product in. That's it. Coming to the next eye. Just have to take the product, take the liner, eyeshadow and just drag it. So you can see it created the base. It's really light. Color is like purplish, not purplish or gray. You can say it as. It's very light, guys. This is why I love this product, and it is good for daily wear. If you wanted to go for a just simple outing or any get together or something, this product is really good. I'm going to attach the link also for this product. So we have just set a base for this. Now I'll show you. We have a brush out here, so that's the amazing part. So I'll use this brush and kind of blend this product. Like simply blend this product all over the eyes. This side too. Moving ahead with mascara. For mascara today I'm using L'Oreal Paris. So this mascara has got 2 ends in it. I'll show you. This end you are getting the black color mascara, wherein if you twist to this, you're getting a primer for your eyes, which is really amazing. See? So you wanted to prime your eyes first with this, the white part, and then we can switch on to the next one to get the mascara, the black eye mascara look. So first what I'll do, I'll just take this. I'm going to prep my eyes. Yeah, next eyes. Using little product so that it does not give me that heavy look. The less the better. Okay, so we'll leave it for a while to set it. Now I'm using the mascara. Use little mascara like off camera, and I'm just showing you how I use it in my both the eyes. So this also I'm using very little, not much. We don't want a heavy look for daytime. Don't forget your down baby hairs, your lower lashes. We are going to cover them also nicely. So when it comes to eyebrows, I generally don't do my eyebrows like on daily basis. Whenever I'm going for a party or any function, wedding or something, I ensure that I do my eyebrows. But for this fresh look, and we wanted for this fresh look, we wanted to make it very simple. So I'm just leaving my brows like this, and I'll quickly go to the next part, which is contouring part. I need a little bit of contouring all over my face. So for contouring today, I'm using L'Oreal Paris. This one, Glam Bronze. To get the contouring look, you need this brush. Can you see the brush is not flat, and it has got the arc out here. So let's start. So here I have the powder. I'll just dab the product in. You don't have to put it in the center of your face. You just have to put it here, and you just have to give the stroke out here. When you are putting your bronzer or contouring powder out to the end, it gives the more natural effect, and you'll see that the cutting is done very well. So I'll move on to this side. Yeah, that's it. So the technique which I use out here, you just have to put the brush out here, and you just have to move it inward. That's it. Yeah. When the light flashes out, your face would not look flat, and it would give definition to your face. I will also be using under my jawline, like so. You just have to take the brush and you just have to move in. Here, just put it here and just move the brush. Yeah, can you see the difference? Here we are done with contouring. Now, so this L'Oreal bronze powder has also got the highlighter. So I'm not going to use a separate highlighter for this. So, this would just serve the purpose. To use the highlighter, we need another brush. The brush could be like this. So we'll just put it into the highlighter. Now, if you wanted to use the highlighter like perfect, you need to use it high point of your face, like here. Here, on your nose, on the cupid area, on the chin a bit, little near your eyebrow areas. So next is about the blush, which would give me the flush look which I'm looking for. For today I'm using L'Oreal Paris blush and the name is Sunset Glow. So I'll show you the product. It looks like this. You see it has got the light tone and the dark tone out here. So I'm going to mix both and I'll use it on my face. Now to use the blush, you need a brush. This brush just got the flat surface, and so just tap the brush in the blush and now in between just tap the product a little bit, little on your nose, little on your chin, just to give a full finish look. Last but not the least, it comes to our lipper. So for lipper today I'm not using any lipstick. It's from L'Oreal Paris. The shade is Fight For It 109. So before using any lip balm or lipstick, ensure that your lips are hydrated. So I have used lip balm already. I'm using the gloss straightforward.
I've got the nail paint on and the shade is nude and easy to carry.
So I've just got my earrings on and here is the final look. I hope you guys thoroughly enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel, share it and like. Much for watching this video and giving me your valuable time. Bye.